Hey, it's Dr. Troy here. Patients ask me about gout all the time. Hey, I have a friend who has gout. Can chiropractic help? What would you recommend? Usually you're going to see gout show up in the extremity, particularly in the foot, the ankle. Sometimes you can see it in the knee or pelvis, but most commonly you're going to see somebody present saying, oh, I got gout, so I can't walk. And so what it is, it's a buildup of acid in the joints. And so people always say, well, how did I get so acidic? Well, it's usually the food that we're putting in our body. Let's not call it food. Let's just say the garbage. So where many people are eating a super high acidic diet, there's things like nightshades, like tomatoes and eggplants that can help create more of these acid crystals in the joints so that can actually flare up and cause severe, severe pain. Many times people will rush to anti-inflammatories or painkillers, but I always recommend cleaning up the diet, putting in some green. Anything green is very alkalizing. It helps break up acid in the body. And one of the great things that we mention is chlorella. We have chlorella, Wuji chlorella. It's a whole food. It's chock full of vitamins, minerals. It's anti-inflammatory. It's got folic acid in it. It's really good for just cleaning up the system, helping the body detoxify. So anybody who says, I got joint pain, I got gout pain, I always recommend getting them on a daily dose of Wuji chlorella. We always say, start the new year off right. Get chlorella in you, get it in your kids. It's amazing, amazing, amazing stuff. My kids take it every single day. They're hardly ever sick. They're developing awesomely. So I always recommend people getting on chlorella. The other thing too is if there's misalignment in the structure, if you have postural distortions in your neck, your low back, your pelvis, this could also affect joints and how they feel, whether it's your foot, your ankle, your knee, your hip, that could be associated with a gouty flare-up. Your immune system's controlled through the dorsal spine, through the mid-back. If there's pressure and stress and malfunction in those areas, it can actually make you more susceptible, not only to gout, but other things. So you're not going to adapt as good to the environment you're in. So the whole purpose of chiropractic is to get you to adapt more naturally to the environmental stressors that are out there, because we're all subjected to thoughts, toxins, and traumas. We call it the 3 T's. So the more we can reduce the toxic thoughts, the toxic food, and the traumas to our system, the better off our body's going to be. So if you have gout, you know somebody suffering from gout, tell them about chlorella, tell them about chiropractic, and see if it's right for you. You can always come to our office, get checked. Consultation's always free. This is Dr. Troy in Vancouver, Washington.